Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Magnificent Harvest. God is aware of everything you need on this present day and the years to follow. He knows your heart's desires, your true potential and power. He knows how to orchestrate it all in your favor and for humanity. Don't doubt, trust His power, and allow His spirit of faith and peace to lead you to a safe haven and magnificent harvest. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this poem with all my heart and soul. I believe God does know everything that you want and desire. And I believe that He knows so much what you desire and want deep down inside that sometimes you don't even know that. And there's things that pull you towards things that a lot of people, when they're dealing with ego issues, they don't understand that. So they keep fighting through things. But I believe God, He has everything laid out if you just let go of everything. Just let go of the fight and trying to make things happen the way you think they should happen. Allow God to open the universe for you. Open the doors. He will. Just follow the doors. Sometimes you got to do things you don't think that is right, but actually, in the end, it feels good and you realize that, yeah, it was meant to be. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.